President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Meghachandra has asserted that there is no hope for formation of a popular government under BJP. Meghachandra was speaking on the sideline of observance of Sadbhavna Divas, marking 81st birth anniversary of late former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. A bike rally on the theme Communal Harmony and National Integration was also held as a part of the observance today. The bike rally passes through Thangmaiban, Wangkai, Kurai, Haingang, Sekmai, Lamlai and Uripok Assembly constituencies. Earlier, CLP leader Okrami Bobby, CWC member Gai Khangam, former MP Dr. T.H. Mania, along with other members of MPCC paid full tribute to photo of late Rajiv Gandhi at Congress Bhavan. Speaking further on the sideline of the bike rally, which saw participation from about 500 bikers, Meghachandra accused BJP of changing their statements daily and thus losing the faith of people. The present situation in the state is being brought upon due to internal tussle for power and differences among BJP legislators.
BJP de kidi koi Assam ta tawdre nongon ama hai masina aikoi lebak ngak pangamoy masung makhoi gi leadership sonba khoi gi unity leitaba adagi aikoi leba si khandaba Manipur si aikoi kangkhong chahenba financial crisis administrative failure law and order failure no bagasi makhoi degi tholakpa makhoi na maru hunbang haktani maram aduna aikoi gi popular government ama lakani haiba sidi BJP gi lenga ga sidegi hauju phaude aikoi ubangam de politically makhoi khoi na sanari base Manipur manghan banatana aikoi karigumam ta ubangam de so far.
On the other hand, the CLP leader Okrami Bobby asserted that the anti-defection law on the 10th schedules of Indian Constitution, which was brought during Rajiv Gandhi's tenure as a Prime Minister of India, is a watershed moment for Indian democracy. Speaking further, Okrami Bobby also lauded various legislation that were introduced under the leadership of the late Prime Minister, such as the establishment of Panchayat Raj, Autonomous District Council and Urban Local Body. While attacking the BJP government, Okrami Bobby said the government led by BJP has failed to hold a regular election for local bodies.
भारत की डेमोक्रेसी से आगे तारे भारत की डेमोक्रेसी है बिस मणिपुर सु यावरी बनिको चोंथोक का मसीदी इकाई रेदा ना हाइदना डिफेक्शन से वंस मान थाजब पार्टी अमदा वंस इलेक्ट तौखरगदी मा हेक चोंथोकदा डिस्क्वालिफाई तौगदबनी हाइदना 10 शेड्यूल दा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट तौरगा को 10 शेड्यूल से एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ अमा पुथोमिसे मसी लैंडमार्क Constitution amendment in the history of Indian democracy. Sumaina marui ba kharaje akoina atai di marui di hai jebai wan teko. Adu masi purna maksing sumaina magi matamda magi telaba matamda mana parliament da sumnagi union cabinet ga nateko parliament da both houses of parliament da samvidhan semdokna opposition ruling madugi threadbare discussion tawraga pass tawmi ba kharaje ngasi माकी मरफू माथोई रक्षुब मपोक नुमिचिदा अखोई निंसिंग हले